Another prepper channel recently had a giveaway. 2 people were selected to receive £40 apiece to spend on preps. I entered, I didn't win. But nothing stopping me having a bit of fun with what I would have spent it on and why. Let's start with water. I have some great water storage called aqua bricks. You can see these in my recent Show Your Preps water video. But what I have maybe been lacking is some real bulk water storage. I could buy more aqua bricks, but I already have 6, and the marginal utility of buying a 7th is much less than it was for buying the first 6. I already have these nice robust 11-litre cans, and buying more is diminishing returns. What I need now is cheap, high volume, but just about portable water storage. These 25-litre cans are too heavy for anyone except me to carry around. I doubt my housemate could lift it, much less accurately pour from it. But that's fine. We have the aqua bricks for that. Sometimes what makes sense for your next purchase isn't the same thing as you needed for your first. So for the £40 challenge, I'm going to buy 2 of these for a total of £16.99. Look at the weird pricing here. 2 is barely more expensive than 1, but 4 is more than double the cost of 2. In reality, as you may know if you saw the Show Your Preps water video, I did buy 4, but I bought 2 lots of 2 and they came together in a box of 4, but saving me a tenner over the price of 4. Always check for this kind of price weirdness. But for the challenge, that's a bit boring. So let's keep it at 2 cans for £16.99. Next, I'm not going to miss out on the opportunity to push my message about ORS sachets. Boots have the blackcurrant ones for £4.90 for a pack of 6, but I'm going to get a pack of 20 for £13.20. As the ingredients for the homemade version last forever, let's also raid Aldi for 750 grams of British table salt for 65p and 1 kilogram of granulated sugar for £1.09. Of course, in reality, I'd get the 2 packs as sugar lasts indefinitely as long as you keep it dry. Please watch my ORS video if you're unsure what I'm talking about with the salt and sugar. Again, going back to a previous video, I had a 9-volt torch. These cute little boxes that clip on the end of a spare battery and can get a bit more life out of older batteries deemed in need of a replacement in the smoke alarm. I have quite a few of these batteries, so I thought I'd get 1 more. But comparing listings, there's some more price weirdness going on, so I'll buy 3 for £2.55. Next, I want to get a whistle for my refugee friend. I have one of these on my keyring and they're nice and loud. 55p on Temu, that'll do. But if I was quick, I might have got 8p off with the voucher. I'm not sure how the voucher system works and if all my viewers can get it, so I'll call it 55p. Still with Temu, I'm buying one of these cute little alarm clocks. Why? Because I like the look of it and I might want an alternative to relying on the Amazon Home Assistant that shan't be named, or my phone. I won't trust the thermometer or the hygrometer until I've compared it with other units I already have. The ad that caught my eye is £2.53, but checking the other listings I found what looks like the same thing for £2.50. Next, fitness is often overlooked in our preps. I use these little loop bands for crab walks and every so often they break, so I try to keep a few ahead at least. £1.64 for a pack. Lastly, another little thing I like the look of, these needles. I've not tried the self-threading needles, so I'll give them a go. But honestly, it's the little tub that caught my eye. I think it looks nice. I've a light plastic version for my bag, but this is nice for my home kit. Altogether, that's £39.99. So a penny left over that could go into my loose change mug. So that's what I would have bought with the 40 quid. And most of it I did buy as it looked a good deal when I was researching the video. But let's add a bonus item, this Peshtemel towel. I bought this again for my refugee friend. I'm hoping she's going to go camping with me and she'll need a quick drying, lightweight towel that's big enough to do the job. You can't go wrong with these Turkish towels. Far better texture than the plasticky microfiber towels, in my opinion, and they pack away nice and small. So that's it for this little video. Thanks for your time and attention, and I look forward to our next video.